The video starts gently with the image of a girl standing in the kitchen neatly, confidently, and extremely meticulously. Right from the first minutes, we are led into a true seafood party. The opening is fresh scallop salad, a dish that seems simple but requires sophistication. Thin, clear slices of scallops are arranged evenly on a plate, lightly covered with a sweet and sour orange sauce, dotted with a little sliced shallots and herbs. The refreshing taste of fresh scallops mixed with the mild sauce brings the feeling of enjoying a symphony of the ocean. Next is a separate vegetable salad, completely different. This is a colorful picture with carrots, cucumbers, purple cabbage, American corn, cherry tomatoes, and crispy lettuce. The atmosphere begins to heat up when she approaches the steamed green mussels with spicy sauce. The mussels are just cooked, opening their mouths to reveal the soft, sweet meat, soaked in a smooth, red sauce. Spicy on the tip of the tongue, fragrant with the smell of garlic and chili. A dish that makes people want to slurp every drop of sauce. The frying part continues to be very attractive with fried squid and crispy fried shrimp. The sound of boiling in the oil pan seems to be inviting. The thin, evenly golden layer of batter makes you feel crunchy when biting into it. The squid and shrimp inside are sweet. And then there is the silent star of steamed fish with soy sauce. This dish looks simple, but is a measure of skill. The fish meat is white, cooked just right, soft but not mushy, covered with a rich black bean sauce, with the smell of ginger and onions, a harmonious combination of salty, sweet, and fragrant. When all senses seemed to be satisfied, she made the audience exclaim again with a set of fresh sashimi, salmon, tuna, octopus, all skillfully cut, placed on ice next to wasabi and soy sauce. Fresh, cool, pure in the true sense of the sea on the dining table. And then, the pan-fried salmon dish closed the video beautifully. The outside was golden and crispy, the inside still retained its juiciness. The fish slices were presented like a work of art, simple but impossible to take your eyes off. Each dish is a range of emotions, from light to rich, from crispy to soft. That girl is not only cooking, she is inspiring. She is telling a culinary journey with her own hands and heart.